Brown 1 pound of ground beef in a skillet. Add in 1 cup of chopped onion, 1 cup of chopped bell pepper, and 2 cloves of minced garlic until the vegetables are soft. Transfer the cooked beef and vegetables to the slow cooker and add 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 can of corn, 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, and 1 packet of taco seasoning. In a separate bowl, mix together a box of corn muffin mix, 1/3 cup of milk, and 1 egg to create the cornbread topping. Pour this mixture over the beef and vegetable mixture, the slow cooker. Cover and cook on high for 2 to 3 hours until the cornbread topping is set. Sprinkle 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese on top and let it melt for 5 to 10 minutes. Serve your tamale pie hot, garnished with 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, and sliced jalapeños if desired. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.